Hello, it's Miles 4240 here. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to jailbreak iOS 4.2.1. Now, if you have one of the newer devices, then what's will happen when you jailbreak is that you'll have a tethered jailbreak if you have 4.2.1. If you have a older iOS version, for example 4.0 all the way to 4.2 4.1 I think, or maybe 4.2 beta, then you can use lime rain or green poison. What you need to do is you need to download Red Snow 0.9.6 beta 4. Now I tried this with beta 3 and Cydia would not start because Cydia was only updated fairly recently. Anyway, if you have device, for example, like the iPod Touch 2G MB model or iPhone 3G or 3GS old boot ROM, then you'll be completely safe and you'll have an untethered jailbreak with Red Snow. But of course, a tethered jailbreak might be out by the time an untethered jailbreak might be out by the time you see this video. So anyway, you need to first restore your device. Now you'll only need to do this if you have about over 2 pages of apps, because apps could cause some problems, possibly. Press Option or Alt and restore on a Windows computer. You need to hold Shift and restore, or just pause this and locate the file. Or you want to restore to the same firmware that you're on now. If you are already in an old firmware, you need to open Tiny Umbrella and put a download link in the description for this. So once you've got this open, you need to select your device and you need to click Start TSS Server and keep this running while you restore on iTunes, and then you can close it. Now I'll probably put a black writing over these numbers so you can't see them, because I'm not completely sure what they are, but I think it's ECID, which isn't good to show other people. Anyway, you need to press Restore now. Okay, so firmware's just finished restoring on my iPod Touch 2G, and what you need to do now is make sure your iPod is booted up, still turned on. So open Red Snow now. It's going to be download links in the description. Click Browse and select firmware. So just click Next now. Check Install Cydia. It should automatically be checked. But if you're using Red Snow Beta 3 or earlier, then I think you need to uncheck it. You can enable multitasking and home screen wallpaper here. And you can also add custom boot logos. Okay, so I've made custom boot logo. Okay, so you just need to check this. So there's going to be a download link for this in the description, by the way. So this is it. Just some binary code and Apple Chrome logo behind in front of it. And it's a PNG file and it's about 50 kilobytes, 45 actually. So you just need to click open and it won't show the size limit thing. And as you can see, it took me a while to compress it. So you need to click next now. And you need to turn off your device at this part. Make sure it's plugged in already. Now just hold the power button on your device and slide power off. Okay, so you need to be ready when you click next. You need to put your finger on the power button, and as soon as you click next, you hold down power. Okay, so when the 2 parts goes black, you need to hold the home button straight away, and let go when the 3 bits goes black. So you just keep on holding the home button and keep on holding it till you see it says jailbreaking. Okay, so it's finished jailbreaking now, and it will take about 5 minutes or something, and if it keeps on saying please wait verbose mode for a while, for a few minutes, and it's quite normal because that happens to me, and jailbreak works perfectly fine. Cydia works with this version, so you don't need to use iPhone Explorer and SSH and another Cydia version into it. Anyway, thanks for watching this tutorial. Please rate, comment this video, and please subscribe. Please check out my different videos and tutorials.